Hi, today we're going to do a baby shower cake, and it's going to have a caterpillar butterfly theme. The whole idea behind it is the caterpillar is going to turn into the butterfly, and there's going to be a cute little saying on the cake. So we're going to have two cakes here. We're starting with a 10-inch cake here that I've already iced, and it's just a pale green buttercream. And the green I used was the Americolor electric green, but I just used a tiny little bit to ice it. Okay, so this is a 10-inch cake. It's 4 layers of cake, 3 layers of filling. And then over here, I have a 6-inch cake that's just 2 layers of cake, 1 layer filling. And I haven't iced that because I'm actually going to cut this one down at a slant. So I wanted to show you that. I'm going to place it on a 14-inch board here. These are actually two 14-inch boards taped together, covered with clear contact paper. And then I have my double-sided tape that I'm going to put down here. Just 4 pieces here. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this 14-inch. This is on a 14, I'm sorry, it's a 10-inch cake. The 10-inch is on a 10-inch board. So I'll just lift it off. Looks like I might have lost some of the buttercream, but that's okay, we'll fix it. Place it on the 14-inch board. Okay, and then use the spatula to just kind of sit it down. Okay, all right, good. Get that one out of the way, move this aside, and bring this cake over here. Actually, I don't want it on the turntable when I cut it. So let me go ahead and take off the paper on top, like this. What I want to do is I want to cut this down at an angle. Okay, so just take the knife here, and I just want to cut. And my cake has been chilled. Okay, so I can lift this off. Now what I want to do is just take a little bit more buttercream. I just have the green buttercream here, but you could use white inside. The green is what we're going to ice it with. So I just need a little bit more buttercream because I'm going to flip this around. Okay, and make it higher on the one side. Because the caterpillar is going to be on top of the cake, and it's going to be like he's climbing up here, and then we're going to have butterflies coming up from this area here. Okay, so now I need to place this on a larger board, so I'll just, this is a little big, but it's what I have in front of me, so I'll clean off this buttercream, place it on here, place that just like that, and then I can go ahead and ice this. So I have the same color buttercream, pale green. Pop it on the top first. Okay, so just make sure I get it all covered. No, it looks like I have a lot of buttercream on there right now, but I'll end up scraping some of this off. And then I'm sure you've seen me use my icing blade before. This is my favorite thing for the sides. Come around the sides, smooth that out. Wipe off the excess. The board was just too big. I found the board that I was supposed to use. Okay, so once you get to this point, you can use the little acetate paper and go around the edges.